Good morning, guys. This is a Sunday morning, and now it's time to get tech updates right on your mobile phone. Through this video, you will be updated throughout this week what happened in the tech industry. So let's begin. Today, after 58 days, Jio, Mukesh Ambani's Jio has put a deep hole in its pocket. Now Geo Platform, it has created a new company, not Geo Platform, in under which comes various industries. Geo Platform owns Geo Infocom, that is the Geo Telecom, Geo Mart, Geo Savan, Hathway, Den Networks, RedSys, Haptic. Haptic is an AI system. The assistant like Google Assistant is been hired by Geo. So Geo is putting its leg into each and everything. Then other company that made news during this time was WhatsApp, as WhatsApp was hacked and online, and last seen weren't seen. It was down. It was not hacked. It was down because last seen, and many users complained that last seen and online was not seen. Then there were various news. iOS 14 is going to launch tomorrow on Monday, and you can see the updates next. Then MI launched Make Epic Happen. MI launched a laptop which with good configuration, i7 processor, 512 GB storage, SSD, NVMe SSD, and 8 GB RAM. But it cannot be upgraded to 16 GB. The 8 GB RAM is just 2666 megahertz. So it was a great laptop, and I will do an unboxing for you for that laptop too. There were many updates right going down this week. Then one more update, Make in India campaign has put forward many Chinese app. The China has attacked India, and 20 soldiers were martyred. So here are some of the Chinese app that you install: TikTok, Share It, UC News, UC Browser. Then the most famous Share It, Zender. This app must be installed from your smartphone. And if you own a Xiaomi phone or Poco, Vivo, Oppo, then you must try to buy a new phone that is not belonging to Chinese, um, like software today and hardware within a year. In this way, we can put China economic stress on China. Although, and one more news, Mukesh Ambani is among top 10 richest man. He has got a worth of $64 billion, while Jeff Bezos is number one with $150 billion. With a divorce filed, he lost 35 billion to his wife. Now he has just 113 billion, but he is still on the top. And following him is Bill Gates with $112 billion. There were many updates within this week, and every week I will come and give you updates of tech news. Thank you guys for making my last video a hit, and 1,000 views were there, and it meant a lot for me. And Google Meet is also coming to a Gmail app. Through Google Meet is firing its bullets on its more and more competitors like Zoom, and Motorola launched is One Fusion mobile phone that is in main range a best phone. Well, then PUBG is a Chinese game. Yes, guys, PUBG is a Chinese game. We need to ban the PUBG also. PUBG, we need to build an alternative for these apps like GeoMart. Geo is doing a great job in providing an alternative to Chinese app, but like GeoChat doesn't work. But is it a solution that we go from Chinese app to an American app? Why can't we have Indian apps that compete directly to them? That thought need to be given, guys. Then Facebook buys a startup of street level mapping for street level mapping, that is Google Street View. You have seen through Google Street View in Google Maps, you can actually experience being sitting there. Actually, I will give you an example. If you want to see a Taj Mahal, you go on a Google Map and put on a street view, and you can see you can experience that you are standing at the gate of Taj Mahal. So that's also a great news. Thank you guys. This Keep like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.